Hi everyone! Thanks for tuning into the Japanese Libro. This week we're going to read a book about shapes. It's called 四角三角丸 Square Triangle Circle. And it's an original written by Ori herself. She even drew the pictures too. So let's check it out and learn the names of the shapes together. Square Triangle Circle. Story and drawings by Ori. Square. Try, triangle. Round we go circle. Let's play a game. Hide and seek. Square. Where are you? Cup. Present. Paper bag. How many squares did you find? Try, triangle. Are you ready? Ice cream. Envelope. Tree. Did you find the triangles? Circle. I found you. Apple. Sun. Ladybug. Yay! Square. Try, triangle. Round we go circle. Let's play a game. Finally, let's race. Square, triangle, circle. Who do you think is the fastest? Ready? Get set? Go! Square. Try, triangle. Round and round circle. Hooray! Circle won. The end.